Hey, hello guys, welcome to Radix Update channel. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to solve the problem under 5 minutes. Take it as a challenge, okay? Take the problem statement, take this a problem statement, solve this under 5 minutes if you can, okay? So please put the timer when you solve and just check whether you can solve this under 5 minutes or not, okay? So, okay, just pause the video and just try it with yourselves, okay? If not, I'll be trying now, okay? So without any further delay, let's begin. So what is the problem statement given here? So Ravi is practicing a string manipulation problems to strengthen his coding skills. Okay. His mentor has given him a challenge involving a text analysis. The task is simple but tricky. Ravi is provided with a sentence that may contain alphabet spaces and digit mixed together. Okay. Ravi's goal is to carefully examine the sentence and count the two things. What are the two things? One is spaces present in the sentence and the one is digits present in the sentence. Once he finds both the counts, Ravi should add them up together and display the result as a final answer. Okay. So here, how many digits? Three digits are there. Spaces one, two, three. Okay. Three plus three, that is six. Okay. I need to solve this under 5 minutes. So please make note whether this video goes above 5 minutes or no. That doesn't matter because see, I have invested a lot of time like saying hello everybody, okay, hello everybody, so whether you can solve this 5 minutes or not. So at that time only some minutes has been went, okay. So freshly now I'm going to take the timer, okay. I'm going to take the timer now and I'm going to read the problem statement now and then I'm going to solve this problem statement now, okay. All this will be done under 5 minutes, okay. This video may longer up to 6 minutes or 7 minutes also, okay. That is because I need to greet you all students, right? Because I just need to say hello everybody, so in that time only the time will be gone, okay. So yeah, without any further delay, let's begin. So I will be beginning. I will challenge that I can solve this under 5 minutes. So you guys also try. Just pause the video and do it. Okay. Just read the problem statement once again. Okay. Okay. So Ravi is practicing string manipulation problems to strengthen his coding skills. His mentor has given him a challenge involving a text analysis. The task is simple but tricky. Ravi is provided with a sentence that may contain alphabet, spaces, and digit mixed together. Okay. Ravi's goal is to carefully examine the sentence and count two things. One is number of spaces present in the sentence and the number of digits present in the sentence. Once he finds both the counts, Ravi should add them up together and display the result as a final answer. Okay. So the example is also given here. So without any further delay, let's begin. PSVM. Okay. So scanner SE equal to new scanner system dot in. Okay. Next, string guide. So string input equal to SC dot next line because next line is because it is a string. That's why. Okay. So before that, I will be asking the user, hey, put your string here. Okay, this is done. Next, I will be putting my current space and my digit is equal to 0. Okay. Next, for in I equal to 0, I less than input dot length y plus plus. Okay, I will be extracting the each character. So input dot character at the I. Okay. So if whatever the character each character I have, if that is a space, then I need to increment the space. Okay. Else, if it is a digit. Okay. If my character is digit, which character? Each character. Okay. Digit plus plus I will do. At last, what will I do? I'll just sum it up. Okay. I'll just int sum equal to, what will I do? Space plus digit, then or total I will do. Total. Okay. So answer is total. Put your string here. Put some null. Mm, okay. Answer is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, 12. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Done. Yes, so I have solved this under 5 minutes. So, guys, please tell me whether you can solve this under 5 minutes or no. Okay, then if you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you are having any doubts, please do comments below. Bye bye.